What if I told you the most important money you'll ever earn is your first $1,000 made while you sleep? Not your salary, not your bonus, but income that arrives without showing up, without asking permission. Because once it happens, you'll never see money the same again. That first $1,000 proves freedom isn't a dream, it's a strategy. In this video, I'll walk you step by step to your first $1,000 in passive income. No fluff, just a real system. Free to learn, easy to follow. Most people don't need millions. They need a system, and it's never taught. We're trained to earn and spend, not earn and build. That's why smart people stay stuck. One emergency from panic. Over 60% live paycheck to paycheck. 40% of side hustlers make under $100. Because they hustle, they don't build. You don't rise by working more. You rise by working smart once, then letting systems run. I still remember my first passive dollar, a Notion template I made one night and forgot. A week later, an email. You've received $9.99. Not much, but it changed everything. It proved I could create once and earn again. Now I'm handing you the exact process. No followers, no capital, no problem, just intent. Here's how. Step 1, pick an engine, digital product, affiliate, or simple automation. Step 2, set up a store, Gumroad or Ko-fi. Fast, free. Step 3, build tiny assets, templates, tools, PDFs, one and done. Step 4, automate traffic, Pinterest, Reddit, email. Step 5, track your $1,000. Every sale is proof. By the end, you won't just get passive income, you'll be building it. The mindset, the tools, the exact roadmap, and it's all free, right here. Step 1, choose your income engine. This is where most people get stuck. They scroll, they consume, but don't create. Let's simplify. There are only 3 beginner-friendly passive income engines in 2025. No degree, no followers, just one decision to start. Option A, digital products. Notion templates, journaling PDFs, checklists, planners. Create once, sell forever. Use platforms like Gumroad or Ko-fi. 5 to 7 hours of setup for long-term income. Option B, affiliate products. Recommend tools you already use, Canva Pro, ConvertKit, Framer. Sign up on Impact or Partner Stack. Link them in blogs or videos. Setup takes 2 hours. Then the links do the work. Option C, faceless microservices with AI. Use 11 Labs for voiceovers, Pictory for videos, ChatGPT for content. Monetize with affiliate links or grow your email list. Don't try all 3. Pick one that feels possible, not perfect. Possibility is all you need to begin. Step 2, build your digital storefront. This is where your idea becomes a money machine. You need a place people can find, trust, and pay you. Gumroad is free and simple. 30-minute setup. 1, create your account. 2, add a pic and a short bio. Who you help and how. 3, upload your product, even a small PDF or template. 4, set a price. $5 to $15 is enough to start. 5, add a thank you note or small bonus. Build trust. This is where your $1,000 journey begins. Not with price, but proof. And proof builds confidence. Step 3, create a high-value, low-effort asset. You don't need a perfect product, just a useful one. Something that solves a small problem fast. Examples, a Notion daily planner, a 10-day focus challenge, PDF, a YouTube Shorts script template, a budgeting tool. 30 journal prompts for clarity. Build them with free tools, Canva, Notion, Google Docs. No design degree, just clarity. Information is free. Transformation is priceless. Package your journey, and someone will pay for it. Step 4, automate your traffic. This is where it becomes truly passive. You don't want to beg for sales. You want them to find you. 3 evergreen channels still work. No ads, no TikTok dancing. Pinterest, Upload 5 to 10 pins weekly. Link your product. Reddit, answer 3 questions weekly in niche subs. Link in your profile. Email, offer a freebie, build trust, sell weekly. Tools, use Canva for pins, Behave for emails. Notion to stay consistent. Most creators won't tell you this. Because here's the truth. You don't need a big audience. You need a system. One that speaks for you. One that works while you sleep. Let me show you why this isn't just theory. It's real. People like you have done it. Sarah, 34, sold 10 PDF templates on Ko-fi, made $250 in 10 days. No Instagram needed. Dev, 22, created a Notion template. 112 sales in 3 months. Now makes $1,200 a month. None were tech experts. None were influencers. Just one useful product, one consistent routine, and belief even on 0 view days. Here's the tool I wish I had. The $1,000 goal planner. Goal, $1,000 passive income. Product price, $10. You need 100 sales, or 34 sales at $29. Daily actions. Days 1 through 10, product setup. Days 11 to 30, promote on Pinterest and Reddit. Weekly, send 1 email. Monthly, optimize. The goal isn't $1,000 in 2 days, it's steady progress. Every dollar counts. How to get your first 10 sales. 1, tell 5 people personally. 2, post 1 value thread on Twitter or LinkedIn. 3, upload 3 pins on Pinterest. 4, share in 2 Reddit subs. 5, add a call to action in your email signature, LinkedIn bio, WhatsApp status. Your first sale comes from alignment. You help someone solve a small problem. They thank you. That's where freedom begins. You're no longer a watcher, you're a builder. Even if you've only sold once, or your first affiliate link got 0 clicks, you're creating, you're earning. That mindset makes your first $1,000 inevitable. And remember, nobody talks about the 6 silent days before success. You're in those days now, trust it. Your breakthrough is coming. Here's the biggest mistake after your first $1,000. You stop what worked and chase what's trending. But to go from $1,000 to $10,000, you need systems, not hustle. Let me show you one. The 3-day creator system, just 3 to 5 hours a week. Day 1, improve your product, even small updates equal more sales. Day 2, promote silently, post 3 pins, answer 2 Reddit questions, share 1 story. Day 3, email your audience, tell a story, link your product. This rhythm builds a flywheel. You make money, even when offline. Now here's how to scale without burning out. Use AI top tools, Pictory, faceless videos, ChatGPT, repurpose content, 11 Labs. Natural voiceovers, Behave. Write once, publish everywhere. Canva, design in minutes. You're not scaling like a machine. You're using machines to scale your voice. When you earn passively, identity shifts. You stop being a consumer and start being a builder. Your first $1,000, it's not the goal, it's the gate. Behind it is freedom. If you've made it this far, you're not just watching, you're walking. Let's keep walking. Subscribe for more. Watch the next video. Fire Blueprint, how to achieve financial independence and retire early. The $5,000 passive income stack. Binge the full playlist. Passive income mastery. You're not too late. You're just early to your own life. Let's build it.